So can you actually refund your Robux in Roblox? Let's find out. As you can see from this bar right here, can you refund Robux in Roblox? In general, we are not able to offer a refund for items purchased within an experience. All purchases with Robux requires users to click on a confirmation box as a precaution against making accidental purchases, and many experiences also have a confirmation window for purchases within their experience currency. So, the short answer, no, you cannot get a refund directly for your Robux. If you open up robloxhelp.com or help.roblox.com, you cannot refund anything. But if you did buy Robux and you want to refund that bought Robux, I'm pretty sure you can contact customer support like it says over here. So just contact customer support. Now, there is a way to get your Robux back if you did buy something on Roblox and you don't want it anymore. If an item disagrees with the terms and service of Roblox or it doesn't follow Roblox's rules, it's going to be taken off the shop, meaning it's no longer available to be worn or available to be bought to people. So, if you have that item, if you bought it and Roblox takes it off the shop, you're going to get a refund, a 100% refund in your inbox. So, either it's going to appear completely like in your Roblox like bank, like you know that Roblox thing at the top right where it says your Robux, where it says the amount of Robux you have, it's going to be immediately added to that, and it's also going to be put in your inbox. Like for example, it's going to send you an email in your inbox in Roblox, where you get all of the emails and notifications from Roblox themselves, like for events and other stuff. So check that out, and the refund notification should be there. So that is the only way you can get a refund in Roblox. Unless you bought Robux with money and you want to get that back, contact customer support. But if you want to get a refund for an item that you bought using Robux, all you have to do is just hope that it gets taken off the shop so that you can get your money back immediately. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions.